Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Tortoise News Report. Football is one of the most popular sports in the world, especially among teenagers, almost everywhere. Young people enjoy watching football matches, playing with friends, and supporting their favorite team. Many people believe that football is only a form of entertainment. However, football has a strong influence on teenagers' lives, both positively and negatively. On the positive side, football encourages teenagers to be physically active. In today's digital era, many teenagers tend to much team sitting, playing games, or using smartphone. Football helps them stay active, healthy, and energetic. Regular exercise through football improves stamina and reduces the risk of health problems. Football also teaches important life values. Teamwork is one of the key lessons learned from football. Player must separate, communicate, and trust each other to win a match. Through football, teenagers learn discipline, responsibility, and respect. These values are useful not only on the field but also at school and in daily life. Moreover, football can motivate teenagers to achieve their goals. Many professional football players started from a young age and succeeded through hard work and determination. Their stories inspire teenagers to practice seriously and never give up when facing difficulties. However, football also has negative impacts if not managed properly. Some teenagers become too obsessed with football. They spend too much time watching matches, following football now, or playing football games, which can reduce their cheating. As a result, their academic performance may decline. Another issue is excessive fanaticism. Supporting a football team is normal, but extreme fanatics can lead to conflict and aggressive behavior. Teenagers may argue or fight to without they support different teams. This behavior contradicts the positive values that football should teach. Despite this problem, football itself is not the enemy. The real problem is the lack of balance and self-control. With proper guidance from parents and teachers, teenagers can enjoy football while still focusing on their education and responsibilities. In conclusion, football can be both a positive influence and a passion for chemicals. Will is provides as benefits lesion and motivation. It can also cause problems if taken too far. Uh, 3 4. Football should be enjoyed easily and responsibility. That close today report. Thank you for waiting and have a good day.